Jinan Manbeicon Machinery Company Limited, located in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We are a trading company which specialized in fiber laser, specialized in laser cutting machines, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machines, laser marking machines. Innovation makes difference. Technology and innovation is always what we focused with. We have been striving to promote the quality and technological innovation of our products. We are guided by international advanced technology and constantly innovate to adapt to the ever-changing era. A professional R&D team is based on science and technology, focusing on the research and development of laser technology. An experienced industrial design team, focusing on discovering the beauty of technology, and a team of skilled workers focusing on technical production, using German technology to achieve European quality. We have established long and stable relationships with top universities and science and technology institutes in Shanghai and Beijing. Our main markets are Europe, North America, South America, Asia, and Southeast Asia. We have been sold to more than 50 countries. Our quality and service have cultivated many long-term customers, and we do proud of it. Manbeicon provide excellent quality machine with strict quality control. In addition, most customers are very satisfied with our service because of English-speaking engineer and 7x24 service. Manbeicon products always give wonderful experience to the customers, and we hope to cooperate with the customers from all over the world. Welcome to visit us.